Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. So in today's video I'm going to talk about just a little update on kind of where I've been on YouTube. I kind of disappeared for a little bit, reappeared in like YouTube shorts, and just a little bit about today's video as well. The last video I made, I believe, was maybe January. Just got a little overwhelmed, a little bit tired of making YouTube videos, and I think that my excitement kind of got the best of me. So I'm really sorry for like that gap. I think, you know, just for myself I needed it, so hopefully I can be back for you guys. For the makeup, I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, I will leave my handle somewhere on the screen for you. But recently I was contacted by LA Colors Cosmetics, which you can find at Family Dollar, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. But they added me to their PR list, and oh my god, you guys, like, I still cannot like wrap my head around it completely. Like, I just received my first package yesterday as of filming this, and like literally mind blown. It's so surreal. Oh, this is the box that they sent me. This is just a section or portion of their HalloQueens or their Halloween collection that they came out with that was limited edition and specific to Walmart. So I guess they had 5 separate different parts to it because each character was kind of represented in their collection with eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, and lip glosses, etc. and stuff. So I thought that was super cute, and I'm happy that they even sent like just a section of it. Like, this is awesome. So they sent me one pair of their 3D Faux Mink lashes, and this is in the style called Zombae. These are so pretty. I do own a pair of their Faux Mink as well as a few of their Dramatilash. This thing is some Dramatilash lash adhesive. So I was actually super happy that they put lash glue in with the lashes, so it's like you don't need to go out and buy some. This eyeshadow palette, and this is part of I believe this is a Zombae, because the lashes and the eyeshadow palette, they kind of give it away, and it was like a dumb moment. But this is the eyeshadow palette. It's called Zombae. Look at how freaking beautiful these shades are. Like, in this palette there are 4 shimmers and 3 mattes. So this one, this one, this one, and this one are all shimmers, and then the pink, this like bluish gray, and black are all mattes. But the next thing is some face gems, and I am actually really happy that they sent this over because I was in dire need of some other sizes of gems for my face. They shine like an iridescent, like rainbowish. It's like really pretty. The next thing is a cream gel eyeliner, and I don't think that I've tried any of their cream gel eyeliners. It's called Wonder. It's gorgeous like teal blue shade. So pretty. So I think that'll actually pair well with the eyeshadow too, and just like anything else you decide to use it for. Up is the High Shine lip gloss. This one is a shea butter lip gloss, so it's supposed to be moisturizing and super shiny. I am really rough at making videos, so excuse me, but I think this is really pretty. Like, it looks to be like a nudish sort of shade. This packaging is beautiful. And then the last thing they sent over was a LA Colors, well, it's LA Colors, a teal mascara, a bold lash mascara. They did also send over this fun, super bright orange bracelet. So it's one of those like band bracelets, like when you go to, I don't know, like years ago, I've seen people when they go to a band, they get like this sort of stretchy, gummy sort of bracelet. I totally forgot I did receive like a free little like mini sample bag from Ipsy. Someone I follow on Instagram was kindly enough to send one over for me, so thank you to her. She knows who she is, and I've already said thank you to her, but I wanted to include this in here as well since it was kind of like a haul, so to speak, but like kind of not. So this was the bag. It was for the month of October. It's black and it's got like a spider web detail. I think that is the cutest thing, and then it has a little spider web. So in here was the BFF Best Face Forward Clarifying Toner. This is a Korean brand. I've never heard of it, so it's very intriguing to like explore new brands. I don't know how to say this. I am so sorry. A single eyeshadow, and I've already opened it up so we can take a look. Isn't this packaging so pretty? Like, this blush pink is so pretty with the gold, and it's a peach eyeshadow, so it looks gorgeous. the ABH Magic Touch Concealer. This one is in the shade called 3. And then the last thing is the Cosmetik. Never ever heard of this brand either. Like, I'm familiar with Ciate and ABH, but not this one. And it's a liquid lipstick in the shade called Faith. So I just wanted to kind of include that in here as well. And now we'll officially get into the tutorial and makeup portion of this. Talk about the products that were used in today's video. High Shine Lip Gloss. This one reminds me of the Maybelline Lifter Glosses so much. This got like the same sort of color to it. It's a lip gloss. It's pretty. It smells amazing, and it applied pretty easily. And I know for sure I'm going to be using this a lot. The Teal mascara I think is super fun. You can kind of see it on the lower lash line. This one is super fun. I don't normally dabble into colored mascara just because I'm pretty boring that way. The next product is the Neon Gel Eyeliner. So good. I used it in my waterline. I think it worked amazing. It was so creamy, so soft, so pigmented. I didn't have any trouble applying it in there. It just one swipe and it was awesome. Their Dramatilash Lash Adhesive. This one, okay, almost made a huge glob of glue mess. You have to be very careful with this. You have to just, the slightest of pinch, slightest of touch, and glue will come out. Don't be like me and squeeze the tube thinking like, you know, you're gonna get a little bit, you're gonna get the whole entire tube if you squeeze it too hard. So don't do what I do. First impression so far, it's a glue. It glued my lashes. I don't really know what else to say because it's, you know, it applied the lashes, it did its job. I don't know how well it's going to hold up, if my lashes are going to start falling off or coming apart or anything. So I will try and update on the screen, description, comments somewhere. So just check in either of those places. Next up is the eyeshadow palette. Gorgeous colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the beautiful colors. I do have to say that I did use all of them because I wanted to get a good idea of how they are. I have to say that all of the mattes, so the pink, the gray, and the black, they were okay. I mean, they did, you know, apply, they did show up on the eyes. I did need a little bit of extra blending, except for the black. It's so pigmented. I wouldn't necessarily use those again. I didn't feel like they stood out to me enough to be like, I want to keep using those mattes, or those mattes are really good quality. Like, it's okay. I think where this palette kind of shines a little bit more is some of these shimmers. And the last is the lashes. Beautiful. Beautiful. These are what they look like on. They are very dramatic. Very. They are a little bit too curly here at the ends. They curl a lot inside for my preference, but they're super soft. I don't feel them. They're not heavy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm glad to be back and hopefully making a bit more content for you guys. I will leave all my socials on the screen for you, and see you next time. Bye bye.